Today I'm going to show you how to fade an image to transparent in Photoshop, step by step, using a clean, non-destructive method that keeps your original image safe. This is perfect if you want to create a smooth fade-out effect for thumbnails, posters, composite designs, or any project where you want part of an image to blend naturally into transparency. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips just like this. Alright, let's jump into Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop and look over at the Layers panel. Make sure the correct image layer is selected. If you see a small lock icon next to it, click that lock to unlock the layer. When Photoshop turns it into layer 0, that means it's ready to edit properly. Now we're going to do this the safe way by adding a layer to mask. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the Add Layer Mask icon. It looks like a rectangle with a circle inside it. Once you click it, you'll see a white mask thumbnail appear right next to your image layer. That white mask means everything is currently visible. And because we're using a mask, nothing is permanently erased. Make sure the mask thumbnail is selected. You'll know it's active when you see a thin border around it. This is important because any fading we do next needs to happen on the mask, not directly on the image itself. Next, select the gradient tool by pressing G on your keyboard or choosing it from the toolbar on the left. Once the gradient tool is active, look up at the options bar at the top of Photoshop. Find the mode dropdown and change it to classic gradient. This helps make sure you're drawing the fade cleanly and using the right transparency behavior. After that, click the gradient preset swatch and choose the black to white gradient from the basics folder. This is the key to fading your image to transparent. On a layer mask, white keeps the image visible, black hides it, and the space between creates a smooth transition. Now, it's time to draw the fade. Click on the part of the image where you want it to stay fully visible. Then drag your cursor toward the area where you want it to disappear into transparency. If you want a perfectly straight fade line, hold Shift while dragging. That keeps the movement locked into a straight direction, which is really useful for clean horizontal or vertical fades. When you release your mouse button, Photoshop applies the gradient to the mask and your image will begin fading smoothly into transparency. You should see that soft transition blending into the checkerboard grid, which indicates transparent areas in Photoshop. If the fade looks too harsh, don't worry. You can simply draw a longer gradient line to make the transition softer and more gradual. If the fade looks too soft and you want a more defined edge, draw a shorter line instead. The great thing about using a mask is that you can keep adjusting it until it looks exactly right. And if the fade goes in the wrong direction, that's easy to fix too. Just click and redraw the line in the opposite direction. Because you're working non-destructively, you can keep experimenting without ruining the original photo. One quick pro tip: if you're creating a fade for a banner, social post, or thumbnail, zoom out and check the overall composition after applying the mask. Sometimes a fade that looks good close up may need a little adjustment when viewed at full size. And that's how you fade an image to transparent in Photoshop using a layer mask and the gradient tool. It's fast, it's flexible, and it gives you a professional result without permanently deleting any pixels. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and let me know in the comments what effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.